And last but not least, Save-opoly. It's like Monopoly, but it's for my dream house, a down payment. So here it is. It's so pink and it's so pretty. And I just have this right here that we're going to track the amounts on, but it's basically Monopoly. Again, I'm going to use this number system because I don't really like using dice. And we're just going to do another 3 tries. Now for my dream house, I have $34. I have $34 to use up within this. And as you can see, there's like a 25 one. There's another 25 one. It's pretty expensive for this one. So basically what I'm going to do is just do 3. And then again, if it's over, just put the whole 34 in for the week. This is weekly again. But I'm trying to save up for my dream house down payment. When I say it was stressful this week, like it was so stressful. Like does everyone else like want a mimosa or something? Because I definitely do. Like I really want a mimosa, something. Oh, I need to like do my eat out budget more. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Community chess. Okay, so it says to save the dice and then save that amount, but we're going to use this. So I'm not looking, I promise. Okay, so 4. I'm gonna do 5 because I don't have any more ones and I'm lazy. Okay. So let's put this back in. We were on community chess. Cool. So now we are going to do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It says treat yourself. I don't want to treat myself. I want to save money. Roll the dice and save double that amount? Are you kidding me? What? It better be like 1 or something. That sounds like so much. 9? That's crazy. Okay, we're going to do 20 because again, I ran out of ones. So, geez. Wow, that hit me hard. Oh my gosh. Well, I mean, I wanted to save, so yeah, I guess so. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Community chess again. Wow. Okay, so let's see. 7. I think we're going to go with 5 because I missed out on the other ones. Okay, so that was 3. And this is going to be all together 30. So we are going to put in 30 for the envelope. 30. I really would love to get an apartment on the Upper East Side. Like that would literally be my dream. So again, it's going to take years and years and years. But your girl can dream, can't she? Can't she dream? Okay, let me know what you thought about this video. Let me know if you like the savings challenges. I will try to link everything down below. I don't exactly remember where I got everything, but I will do my best to find that out. If you like these videos, please subscribe and please let me know how your week went, how you're budgeting, what you're doing, and what you think about Ramit Sethi's way of doing things. I'm going to be showing you and sharing with you a little bit more lessons from him because I am researching him now. I'm trying to play by his book because I think he's a very interesting person who is teaching me how to be wealthy and how to be rich. But I just wanted to share this with you because even though I'm on low income, you know, it can still be fun. We can still have fun and have some guilt-free spending while we're getting rich in retirement. And that's basically what I wanted to show everybody that I am really doing in my life. So have a beautiful day. And I wish everyone a wonderful weekend. I love each and every one of you. Bye.